Hello again, and this is Matt Nelson, Interactive Media Director for First Tracks Marketing Group. Here to show you how the resident search feature works in the Joomla website that we just finished for the New Hampshire Association for Residential Care Homes. So here we are on the home page. It's pretty well organized. And in the upper right here, you'll see a box for the resident search, which is consistently available on every page of the site um, for convenience purposes. So we go back to the home page here. So if I come in here, let's say I want to just look at the Seacoast region. You'll notice we did a big map of the state, and then we split everything into counties and made a very obvious highlight feature that tells the user right away, here are the things that I can click on. And what happens is um, when they click on the counties, it automatically selects all of the available towns from that county to add to the person's search for location. Um, um, so let's just say we want to look at Stratford and Rockingham because that's where all the seacoast towns are in New Hampshire. So um, you'll notice over here that this is changed to edit locations because I've made some selections. If I want to go to the next step and add payment preference and levels of care, I can either click here to go to the next step, or I could also click here because there's no telling exactly how people are going to interpret this, so we wanted to make it as flexible as possible. So now I want to select a private payment option, and for levels of care, I want to make sure that they have Alzheimer's support. So then the last step is features of the facility. Now, all of the things that you saw in all of these steps, they're all being fed by what's currently active and available in the member database for the organization for all of their current active live members of the system. So the good thing about that is they never have to change these. They're always going to be updated and accessed by what's currently running in their database, so they never have to worry about stuff being in here that's not actually something that's available at one of their facilities. So just to keep things relatively simple, let's say I want cable satellite TV outlet, um, and then I say start my search, and then it comes back and it gives me the results of that, and it says there's 12 possible results. We've paginated it, so it's only 10 at a time, and I can go down through this, and it's alphabetical, so I can just start at the top and say, well, maybe I didn't really want Salem included in that. You'll notice over here that the selections are still there. I don't have to start over. So I can go over here and I can scroll down to my list and say, I didn't want Dover or Durham or Salem, Sandown, or Wyndham, and it's just keeping the other ones that are still checked, and I can search again, and then it refines my results to 6, and I'm going to look at the Wellstone House, and that gives me the details of the facility, who I need to email for information, what their website is, overview, critical features, the actual amenities, common areas, all the other stuff that's available here alongside with the actual things that I wanted to choose, and then the map as to how I can get to their facility, which is a live Google map that's propagated. And if I wanted to share this with a sibling or a family member to say, I think this is a good place where we could, possibly consider taking mom or dad, I could easily post that to Facebook, Twitter, send it through email, put it out through Google Buzz. I mean, there's 50 different ways that you could do that here. So this just was a quick demo of how this search feature works, and hope you found that interesting. And if you're interested in doing something like this for your assisted living association website, give us a call. Thanks.